My name's Rachel Packard, and I graduated from Michigan State University from veterinary school in 2010. I moved to the west side of the state for about a year and a half and practiced there, and then joined DePorre Veterinary Hospital in 2012 and just celebrated my 10-year anniversary here at DePorre. I ended up working at a veterinary hospital in a small town as a veterinary assistant, just out of necessity, and found that I really enjoyed the work and animals, became an animal lover. And my boss and the owner of that practice mentored a lot of veterinary students, and she really encouraged me and mentored me. And so then I went back to school and took all the prerequisite courses and applied to veterinary school and ended up on that journey. I really enjoy feline medicine. I love cats. I'm a cat owner. Definitely, love seeing the kitty cats in the practice. With that, I've helped develop the cat-friendly practice certification that we hold. That's a specialized certification through the American Association of Feline Practitioners that gives us some special credentials that we understand how to work with cats in a feline-friendly manner and have special facilities that are quieter and away from the dogs. We have the cat-exclusive exam rooms and cat treatment areas that we use where we don't generally have the barking and dogs that they're going to see. And then the other area is working on the low-stress handling and fear-free programs that we do here. Make the visits more pleasant for the animals so that they're not as nervous while they're here, and so that things are safer and things can be done without the dogs and cats getting worked up. I have 2 dogs at home. Astaire is my black lab, and he's, as all black labs are, exuberant and loves to bark. He always lets everyone know when he arrives at the clinic because he's always jumping up on the table to get treats and barking at everyone. And then everyone, I think, knows Finn the Dodo, who's the golden retriever that I adopted. And he is a little younger and full of energy and is, always digging holes in my backyard and making a mess everywhere he goes. And everyone thinks he's the cutest thing in the whole entire world, even though he's a naughty little golden retriever. I have 2 cats. Frankie, Mr. McPickles is his other name. He's my old kitty. He actually was my mom's cat, and I adopted him from her when she wasn't able to keep him any longer. And he's just a sweet kitty, and he's also quite an old man now. And so, he just lives the best life, and we cuddle on the couch all the time. And I recently got a new addition to my house, Pinstripe, who is also a sweet kitty, and is actually my boyfriend's cat, but she was lonely living at his house, so now she's joined the dogs and cat at my house, and she's getting along great and just runs around and rules the roost. I really enjoy practicing medicine at DePorre Veterinary Hospital because I think we have some of the best clients, and everyone obviously loves their animals and wants to take the best care of them possible. And so we have clients that really want to do everything they can for their pets and provide exceptional care, and I think that transfers into a really satisfying work environment. And we get to explore a lot of options for managing diseases and caring and doing preventative care that really helps improve lifelong health for all of our patients. I think we have a wonderful team at DePorre. All of the staff always works really hard and gives 100% of their energy to everything we have to do. They all love animals, they love medicine, and they love the clients. And so I think we have a great work environment. The team works well together, and they love all the patients just like they're their own. When I'm not at work, I am often tap dancing. I've been a member of a pre-professional tap dance company called Detroit Tap Repertory, and we rehearse and perform all over the Metro Detroit area and sometimes even around the country. Usually we perform in America's Thanksgiving Day Parade, so that's been a passion of mine for many years. I also enjoy yoga, reading, and I do quite a lot of different types of crafting projects, and I've developed interest in pizza making, so now I'm constantly obsessing about how to make different types of pizzas and always exploring different ways to cook them. I think it's really rewarding to see pets that have come in and are, very anxious or even sometimes difficult to even, approach or touch, and as we work with them and figure out what works for each individual pet. I think, when we find what works for, any particular patient, oftentimes, then we can really provide a lot better care for them over their lifetime as we see them. And it's really rewarding to see some of those changes in animals over time.